Hey everyone, I hope you're all having an amazing day. This is Auto Care Secret, and today we're going to break down the symptoms of a bad transmission shift solenoid, what it does, why it fails, and how it affects your vehicle. What is a shift solenoid? The shift solenoids inside your transmission play a huge role in gear changes. Their job is to open and close, allowing pressurized transmission fluid to flow through the valve body. That fluid then activates the clutch packs and bands, which control your gear shifts. The solenoids are controlled by the transmission control module, which uses signals from sensors like vehicle speed. Most of the time, you'll find these solenoids under the transmission oil pan, mounted to the valve body. Symptom 1. Check engine light. The first sign of trouble is often your check engine light. If the transmission control module detects a problem with one of the solenoids or related sensors, it will trigger the warning light and store a diagnostic trouble code. Some cars may even have a dedicated transmission warning light. And by the way, I'll link the scan tool I use for reading these codes down in the description. Symptom 2. Gear shift delay. Next, you might notice a delay when shifting gears. Over time, solenoids can get clogged with debris or dirty transmission fluid. When that happens, fluid pressure doesn't pass through efficiently, causing a lag between when you shift and when the gear actually engages. Symptom 3. Stuck in gear, no shifting. A more serious issue is when your transmission refuses to shift gears. If a solenoid gets stuck closed or fails to open, fluid can't move through the valve body. That means the clutch packs and bands won't engage, leaving your transmission stuck in one gear. Symptom 4. Limp mode. Finally, your vehicle may enter limp mode. This is a built-in safety feature designed to protect your transmission from further damage. In limp mode, your car will feel sluggish. Your RPMs and speed will be limited, and you'll usually be stuck in second or third gear. And that's it. Those are the most common symptoms of a bad transmission shift solenoid. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe for more Auto Care Secret, and I'll catch you in the next video.